steps away to his left. And he will score. Touchdown, Vikings. Sam Darnold, a 3-yard touchdown run. And the Vikings have taken the early lead on the road here in Buffalo.
This is a great decision right here. Out of the pocket to his left. And he knows if he waits too long, the defense is going to be all over him. So he makes a decision to go and wins the race to the pylon.
Extra point through the snowflakes, up and good. And that makes the score 7-0. Minnesota's kick team ready, and the Vikings moving away. And they'll start this drive just across the 30. Pretty nice work on the return. Out comes the offense for the Bills, led by their quarterback at 6'5". That's Josh Allen.
And in this league, there are many quarterbacks who have their most success running the ball, while there are others who have big arms. There aren't too many guys who can do both, and at the end of many games, this guy leads his team not just in passing, but in rushing as well.
Allen and the Bills now with a 1st and 10 at the 31-yard line. Throwing to start the drive. Allen. The Vikings after him, and they get there for the sack. It looks like a loss of right around 11 there on 1st down to set him back on 2nd. Now they're in some hot water now. After that sack, it's 2nd and 21. On play action, Allen. Oh, his first throw of the game, going to be intercepted. And they will take over at the 26-yard line.
And this might not be the last interception we see, Brandon. Both of these teams like to throw the football, but here in this snow, the ball's not going to always go where you want it to. And this one winds up getting intercepted.
The Vikings taking the field here for their 2nd drive of the game. And they'll have good field position here following the interception and a chance to build on their lead as they start with a 1st and 10. And that's to the left sideline and incomplete.
I think we can all understand what they're thinking right now. They take over the ball in field goal range after the turnovers, and they got that in their hip pocket. But they've got to go for the end zone and turn this into bigger points. Their thinking is a touchdown is really what they should get from starting here. Getting 3 points at the end of this drive, that would feel disappointing.
They'll fake the handoff. Now Darnold out to his left. And he'll get into the end zone. Touchdown, Minnesota. Sam Darnold with his 2nd touchdown of this opening quarter. And the Vikings lead is now 13-0 here in the opening quarter of the ball game. Now the try here for the extra point. Or these may be an adventure this afternoon, but this one is good. The drive there only spanning 3 plays. And a long run there in the end to top it off. The kickoff team on the field now as they will send this one away. And he's up past the 20 to the 22-yard line. So here come the Bills out for their 2nd drive. And they're in an early hole. Where 1st drive, they threw the interception. That led to a touchdown. So decent-sized deficit early on.
It is, but I think you hit the key words early on. So they have to decide, do we even need to change game plan, or do we just need to execute better and try and get back in this game?
2nd and 9. From the gun, it's Allen. Swinging this out wide here for Cook. a gain of 4. And now third down and 6 to go.
Offensively, that's the mismatch that you want. You want to force a linebacker to try and cover your back out in the backfield, out in some open space. The linebackers nowadays, they run like backs, and they take a lot of pride in covering. What a nice play he made there in the open field.
Oh, Allen cannot get away, and down he goes. Multiple defenders getting to him there for a huge loss. So now on fourth down, Sam Martin on to punt for Buffalo. They call that a punt of 38 yards officially, and the Vikings will take over here first and 10. A shotgun snap for Darnold. To the right side, it's complete to Jefferson. And he has a big gain inside the 40 before being dropped. That good for 21 yards on the catch and run. So here's a first and 10 at the 38. Now it's Darnold. Got a man, that's Trent Sherfield. From the 31, here's second down and 3. Darnold. Will drop this underneath for Jones. And inside the 20 before he's brought down. A 14-yard gain there as they look to improve this 14-point lead.
Another nice play there, and it got down into the red zone in no time at all. That's what this offense can do when they get on a roll. And now they're set up for the first and 10.
And he's down inside the 5 at the 4 before he's out of bounds. Another nice gain, 13 yards that time, and another first down. To throw is Darnold. And he's going to be dropped. Back at the 15-yard line. And now after that sack, we'll pause here a moment because someone was shaken up on that play. 2 of their 3 red zone trips so far, they've come up empty on. They'll look to reverse that trend on second and goal. Touchdown, Vikings! Justin Jefferson, a 15-yard touchdown grab. And the Vikings have moved out in front by 3 touchdowns. Boy, still in the first quarter, and look out. I mean, they are on pace for over 80 points in this game. I don't know that they'll get there, CD, but this has been impressive to watch so far.
That certainly would be history in the making, wouldn't it, partner? I'm glad we're here to actually watch and see if it actually happens, although, like you, I have my doubts, but they are firmly in control of this game.
Extra point right down the middle, and that makes the score 21-0. A drive that time of 6 plays, and it was all capped off by Justin Jefferson's touchdown reception. So how about this for a start? 21-0 here in the first as they kick this one away. And able to get this across the 20, but not much further as he's dropped at the 23-yard line. Allen and the Bills now with a first and 10 at their own 23. Throwing to start the drive. Allen. Into the hands of the tight end, Dalton Kincaid. Now go for a gain of 7, and that'll bring up second down.
And his play caller does a nice job of giving him an easy throw to start this drive, and he takes advantage of it. The completion sets up a manageable second down.
From the pistol, they run it with Cook, and he is swallowed up right at the line of scrimmage. Call it no gain that time as it's going to leave him with a third and about 3 to go. Now Allen. Oh, his early struggles continue. Here's another one intercepted. Picked off by Stephon Gilmore. And he will take this one home. It's a touchdown. Charles, it is pretty rare that we see a team build this kind of lead in the opening quarter. And man, they seem to be clicking on all 3 phases right there. The defense doing its part with a pick 6.
Has absolutely been the definition start that you would pick for yourself and for your team, right? And I have a feeling that they just want to stay in this zone. What's truly incredible about this start is they can add on a couple more scores. This one could legitimately be over in the second quarter.
An entertaining start to this one. More to come on EA Sports. The Vikings with the football here to begin the second quarter. As they've got it as we resume action. Minnesota's kick team ready and the Vikings moving away. And he'll take it up past the 25 to the 26-yard line. That pick six just a moment ago. Things went from bad to worse. Look up at the scoreboard now. Not looking good here. We'll see if they can put something together on this drive. 1st and 10. Allen and the Bills now with a 1st and 10 at their own 26. Beginning this series with a handoff to Cook. And boy, the strength on display there as he rumbles through tacklers for a gain of about 8. From the 34-yard line, here's 2nd down and 2. Motion man is Shakir. Allen now looks to throw. Throw left side to Kincaid. And he slips up past the 45 before being tackled. Second catch for him today, and it'll wind up a 1st down. Allen. Now he's going to get this all the way down inside the 35. Able to find a lot of empty space there, picking up the 1st down and a 21-yard gain. Working out of the shotgun, here's Allen. Pressure coming from the Vikings, and they get there and bring it down. Give that sack to Harrison Phillips, the big man. Sacks a growing theme in this first half. This is 2nd and long. To the air, Allen. That is caught. Kincaid with it. And all the way home for the Bills touchdown. Dalton Kincaid, 44 yards. And the Bills are able to cut into that deficit.
I'm not sure that they have illusions right now of, okay, we're going to score 8 times in a row, we're going to be terrific. But to get one, that was huge for them. That has to feel much better right now.
And you do have, we're still in the first half. You do have the entire second half. There's something about that goose egg that just looked bad on that board, but now they've broken it.
Yeah, broken through. Can they maintain the pace? We'll see as we go along.
Tyler Bass on for the extra point attempt. It's up and good, and it makes it 27-7 now. So that drive spanned 5 plays, and it ends in a Buffalo touchdown. After the touchdown, Bass to kick it away. And he's up across the 25 and down at the 28. The Vikings offense and Justin Jefferson set to take over once more. And it may be time for this defense to start throwing a second defender in his way, because whatever they've done, it has not worked in this first half. The Minnesota offense about ready to get this next drive underway. And thus far, the weather has not slowed this offense down one bit. They've looked good so far in the first half.
They certainly have. Think back to our meeting with the head coach, and we asked him because we saw the forecast for this game, didn't we? We said, hey, have you prepared for this? And he talked about the different drills that they've done in adverse conditions, the wet ball drills, things of that nature. He said, I don't think it's going to slow us down much. We tend to handle it pretty well, and he's been right.
He's going to find Jefferson open downfield. Now inside the 25. Justin Jefferson. And he will score. Touchdown, Vikings. Justin Jefferson with his 2nd touchdown here in this first half. And the Vikings are able to widen their lead here in this first half. What a first half he is compiling here. He's already over 100 yards receiving and now 2 touchdowns, CD.
Brandon, you know I don't like to play the game. You start projecting when you're at a certain point. But let's face it, he's off to a tremendous start. So 200 yards, 4 touchdowns. I don't think anything's out of question right now. He's blowing up coverages. You've got to double him every snap. Otherwise, he's going to defeat you on almost every play.
And he'll get it up just past the 20 as his guys will go to work at the 21-yard line. Here's the Buffalo offense now as they get set to take over here. And this is not an easy situation. You're down early, in the elements, you're on the road. How do you get the mojo back?
Well, one thing is to remember that as an offensive player, you have a much better idea of what you're trying to accomplish and where you're trying to go than the defender. So in this case, because you know it, you can make your cuts with a little more decisiveness. Maybe a second fake, some double moves, things of that nature, to go ahead and try and put some pressure on the defense.
Allen gonna throw. Right side, caught by Kincaid. And now look at this, big gain, but a fumble. And the Vikings pick up the football.
Playing a snow brings so many other factors into the game. It's not just trying to take care of the ball, like we just saw there, but that's difficult to do. But just trying to keep your feet and carry out your assignments and make sure you're comfortable while you're out there playing. Are you warm enough in your clothing? A million things going on, but the biggest one, hold on to the ball.
They'll come out throwing here on first down. And that's going to be incomplete.
That was nice work there defensively to force incompletion. Now, even though this drive started in plus territory, they're still not field goal range yet. So they can work towards another couple of stops and not allowing that turnover to hurt.
And he knocks the ball away and it falls incomplete.
Early on, the running game's been working well. The offensive line has been pleased by that. The thought process there, catch those safeties creeping up, trying to help against the running game. They tried to hit them over the top, unsuccessfully.
And that's going to be incomplete. The contact there enough to jar that ball free. And it brings up fourth down. And here's a very low-line drive. Almost looking into the snowflakes, and he muffs it. Here's the Buffalo offense now as they get set to take over here. Allen and the Bills now with a 1st and 10 at their own 26. Throwing to start the drive. Allen. And it's knocked away and incomplete.
They decided the opportunity was there and launched a deep ball, but he was unable to get away from the defender, couldn't create space, couldn't uncover at the end of the route, and that one winds up incomplete.
The Vikings after him, and they get there for the sack. The pressure from multiple guys there as they bury him for a big 9-yard loss. Here's Allen. Forced out to his left. And they'll get him down here at the 23. On 4th down, here's Sam Martin on to kick it away. And that kick will go out of bounds right at the 20-yard line. The visitors' offense and their wide receiver getting set for this next possession. And seemingly every time they've looked his way in this first half, it has resulted in a big play, as borne out by the numbers. Here are the Vikings now to start their next drive. They've had a very solid first half, and as we near the end of that, there he goes, right side. There he goes again. Justin Jefferson, touchdown, Vikings. Justin Jefferson on his way to a monster game, 3 first-half touchdowns. And the Vikings are able to strike quickly to add on to their lead. And this is turning out to be something to monitor as this game goes along. That's now 3 touchdown catches for him here in this first half alone. Now the extra point. These have been no picnic for him so far. He's missed 2, but this one is good. Those are the ones the offensive coordinators dream about. One-play drives from that distance. What an effort, and results in the touchdown. Minnesota's kick team ready, and the Vikings moving away. happen with just over 40 seconds to go in the first half. In motion, Hollins. Here's Allen to throw it. To the end zone, but it's incomplete.
That was a touchdown